5 ChatGPT alternatives to use. Hello guys and welcome back. In today's video we are going to take a look at some platforms, some tools that you can use other than ChatGPT and which are actually more good than ChatGPT. So let's get into the video. So here I have brought you some of the very not that much known but very efficient platforms. Okay, so here I'm going to tell you about some of the platforms which are not very well known, which are not very famous, but they are more efficient than ChatGPT and other very well known platforms. So these are some things that are very something. Some platforms are very specific to some tasks. So let's take a look at the first one. So the first platform that I've brought for you is Agent GPT. So Agent GPT is, as you can see, the name suggests it is an AI agent that enables users to design, modify, and launch tailored AI agents directly from their web browsers or on their personal computers. So how you can access Agent GPT? But you can just go onto net and search for it in the platform, and the website is going to open, and then you can see that Agent GPT, it allows users to basically assign a name and a goal to their custom AI. You can get an agent assistant for yourself, and it is basically an AI assistant, but rather than just telling something that has already been there on the internet, it basically thinks from its own, makes decisions from its own mind, and then it basically strives to complete that information or complete that objective or complete that task that you have given to the Agent GPT. So here you can see that the Agent GPT platform offers three predefined roles. You have Travel GPT, Research, and Platformer GPT. It basically not gives you, it just not gives you ideas, it also basically go on and complete that task for you. So here you can see that create an agent by adding a name, goal, hitting deploy. Try our examples below. So you can see this is the first platform of Agent GPT, and this is how it looks like. You can create an agent for yourself by giving it a name, and then you can give it a goal. For example, the goal can be anything, like you can give it a goal of make websites faster, or you can make a goal, give it a goal to code a whole app for you or something like that, and it is going to do that for you. It is going to give you options of process, how it's going to be done, and then it is going to do the and execute the process as well. So the best thing about Agent GPT is that you don't have to give in the prompt again and again. It is going to remember the previous prompts as well, and you can basically retain its memory because it has a long-term memory. It has web browsing capabilities, it has interaction with websites and people, and document creation. So these are some numerous enhancements that are available on the platform. So it is a great platform that you can use. You have to download it onto your computer, and for that they have given you the whole process how you can access Agent GPT by downloading it. You have to enter code, you have to enter it is basically a little process that you need to complete, how to sign in up for Agent GPT, access the Agent GPT platform. Before using Agent GPT, you need to obtain an open AI API key. So you have to follow all of these instructions, install the platform, and then you are free to use and ask it. Use the Agent GPT as your agent for any purpose, for your business, for your school, for your college, or for your technical stuff, any purpose that you want. So the next platform that I have for you is Aura.sh. Okay, so Aura.sh or Aura.ai is the improved version of ChatGPT. As you all know that ChatGPT or the GPT-3 that we are using right now, that is accessible to all people, is does not have any knowledge of the events that happened after 2021, and also it has some kind of restrictions. It cannot, it does give you all the answers that you ask for, but there are some restrictions and there's some limitations to that. It doesn't code accurately. Sometimes the sometimes the answers are faulty. So to avoid all of that, you have got GPT-4, which is also known as Aura.ai. So it is the OpenAI's most advanced system. GPT-4 can solve difficult problems with greater accuracy thanks to its broader general knowledge and problem solving abilities. It can generate, edit, and iterate with users on creative and technical writing tasks such as composing songs, writing screenplays, or learning a user's writing style. So it is also going to basically have the memory retained. The usage is simple. As you use ChatGPT, or is going to be used like that, but it is only available to the registered users. That means it is not available for free. You have to pay for the platform. But if you need it for your work for and daily purpose, if you need help from Aura on your technical stuff or your school stuff or college stuff or whatever, then you can pay a little bit amount for using this platform, because that is completely really worth it. Then the third platform that you have is meetcody.ai. This is your AI assistant for your business. So meetcody, how it works is, and how you can join meetcody is, you can join free as well, and you have to pay some kind of money in order to get the premium version of meetcody. So meetcody is basically the fix for your business. What you need to do is you can use meetcody by adding the business documents to it, by giving it information about your business, the deals that have been done, the profits that have been made, and the problems that have come along. And meetcody is going to give you the solutions for all of your problems. And when it comes to your business, like for example, if you're having a marketing and sales problem, you can ask meetcody to solve it for you. You're going to, what is the charity program you're a part of, it is going to give you the answer. And if there's some document related to it that you have uploaded earlier, no matter how much a year ago, but meetcody is going to find some kind of document that is going to give you, and give you that document as well. Or if there is something, if you have encountered a problem in your business and you don't know how to solve it, but as you know, as you're the only person who has all the data about the business, then you have to figure out a strategy. But if you need help, meetcody also retains all of the data that you have provided about your business, and then it is going to strategize with you. It is going to give you the answers to any question or any problem that comes along your way in the business. So it is basically the best business partner that you can get. You are going to get instant answers to your business questions. You're going to upload any data and build your knowledge base, and you can provide source for every answer as well, provide support and troubleshoot issues, boost employee efficiency, etc. And you can see how it works, teach it what it needs to know, customize Cody for different uses, share copy with your team or customers, and ask Cody. You can ask different questions as well. So platform, also the website is also very promising, it's very attractive. So you can just go on and start with meetcody.ai for your business problems. The other platform, the next platform is jasper.ai. Jasper is basically a content creating platform which writes products, which writes content for you. Artificial intelligence makes it fast and easy to create content for your blog, social media, website, and more. Rated 5 by 5 stars and 10,000 plus reviews. So Jasper is not available for free as well, but as you know, if you need data, if you need content creation for all of your for your work, or if you're a student, you need to complete your homework, but you need want it to be unique, then Jasper is the best thing for you. So what you can do is you can give the prompt to, or you can give the data to Jasper, like for example, if you want to write a piece and you have already written one, but you think it's not good enough, so basically so rather than getting the idea from jasper.ai, what you can do is you can give the Jasper your own idea by feeding in the content that you have already created, and then Jasper is going to modify that content in the best way possible, and it's going to make it very professional. As you know, you can choose tones with Jasper. You want it to be affirmative, you want it to be assertive, whatever the tone that you want your content to be. Jasper is going to convert your already submitted data and your already submitted content into that tone and into that professionalized manner. So Jasper will help you create original content that ranks for SEO, and a writer's blog with ideas from robot, write long form context 5 times faster with AI. You can optimize content to rank for valuable keywords, etc. So there are lots of uses that jasper.ai has, but you have to go on and pay for it. But if you are a regular user of the platform, then it is not too much to pay. And the last platform that I have for you is literally anything.io. So as its name suggests, literally anything, it is kind of like ChatGPT. It has a bot, but you have to tell it what you want to build. I can ask it to build a website for me. I can ask it to build an app for me, a digital marketplace, whatever I want. This platform is going to do that for me, because this is how it is designed, and it is literally anything. You can ask literally anything to generate anything that you want. It is going to give options to you if it doesn't do it yourself. So literally anything is going to solve any problem that you have. It is going to give you solution to every problem that you're going to address on literally anything. So these are the platforms that are way better than ChatGPT when it comes to their credibility and their functionality. So depending upon the type of the thing that you need to do, you can depend on each of these platforms, because they're very authentic, they're genuine, and they are the best in their fields. So this was it for today's video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. Please give this video a big thumbs up, and also subscribe to Softwares Made Easy.